Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. In this testing video we are going to do some extended testing of the NeoGeo for the LDK. So let's go and let's see if the games are running fine or are we going to get some problems. Let's go, yeah. Ooh, I see some glitches going over there. Ooh. So far so good. Why didn't he die? From a super beam of destruction! I'm getting my ass kicked over here. There were some people asking what happens when you're putting the next generation NeoGeo games on this little Mame machine. As you can see, it's loading the games, and it takes freaking forever sometimes if you're having a big file. But when it's complete, you shall see that it doesn't do anything. So let's say the last generation of games that they released are not really working with this emulation and hardware combination. And that's it. Nothing happening, it's not booting up. And you need to reset the full system because the emulator is just crashing. Oh yeah, let's go. It's running a little bit choppy. It's still playable, but alright, so for the final conclusion regarding NeoGeo, it's not perfect because the last release games are not working, and maybe it can be fixed. If you have any tips, you can always leave it in the comments. But this is what you're going to get. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. Bye bye.